Guys, welcome back. It's Dave from Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida. We just picked up this Thunderbird and we're going to take it back to the shop, check it all over, and make sure everything's good on it. And this car will be available probably sometime next week. Again, this is Dave from Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida. We just picked up this Thunderbird. It's a 56 in Punta Gorda, Florida, and we will be taking it back to our shop in Palmetto. We will go over this car and make sure that it is mechanically sound. Then we will offer this car for sale on YouTube on our channel. If this is the first time you visited my channel, could you please subscribe, like, click the notifications, and share. I have Tyler here from Coast Motor Company as well. He's gonna latch down the car. That's what he's doing right now. Next time you guys see this Thunderbird, we'll be at our shop in front of the red, white, and blue, where I like to do my videos. Guys, thank you for taking a peek at the video of us picking up this car. We look forward to making more videos of this car for you to see. We will do a test drive video as well in the future. Again, this is a 1956 Thunderbird, Ford Thunderbird, that will be available through Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida, as early as maybe next week. Guys, those of you who don't know me, I'm Dave, Coast Motor Company, Palmetto, Florida. I like to show off cars, trucks, motorcycles, Jeeps, airplanes, skateboards with engines, etc. Because that's what I do. Guys, thank you so much.